Hello everyone, this is Raheel, and today I'm back with a second part to the original copyright video. If you haven't seen that yet, I strongly recommend you go see it before watching this video. So today I'll be covering how to apply the same copyright to multiple images/projects in Photoshop. So we had our copyright over here. I just removed the copyright label I put on top, and instead I just left it to the copyright in the metadata itself. What I can do to apply this to another project is go into File Info, and then you can see I have my copyright over here, and I would just simply press Template Folder, and then I would press Export. So then on Export, by default, it would go into the metadata templates folder, and I could just write down a default copyright. All right. And it's not actually the default copyright, but we'll just call it that for now because we're going to be applying it to every project. And then you press OK, and then it is saved to the metadata folder. Now we have another Photoshop project here. This is just a random book cover I was working on. And then we just go by the same way we did in the last video. We just press File Info. And then instead of going into these and changing all the settings, we could simply just press default copyright. It shows right here, and it has to be in the template folder. And you can press import as well if you want to choose a different copyright that is not showing up here. But I could just press default copyright and clear existing properties in place of template properties. I have no properties right now, so I'm okay with that. Then there's also these two, whatever one you choose. And you press OK, and then you can see that it's all applied. And then there you go, copyright symbol shows up. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. If you did like this very small quick tip, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. See ya!